Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, friends. This is Hitesh from Anup Kelkas Python Academy. So today we will back with some another problem statement from Lead Code, which is based on SQL. So here is the problem statement. We will see what is the problem statement. Okay. So basically, a person table is given to you where we have two columns, that is ID and email. Okay. So the types or respective types are integer and varchar. So ID is a primary key, as you all know. Primary key always allows unique value. Okay. And each row of the table contain email and respective ID, and email is not contain any uppercase letter. Okay. So in the email, all the letters are in lowercase. So we have to write a solution to report all the duplicate emails. Okay, duplicate email means where the same email are mentioned in table more than one. Okay, that is a duplicate email. So note that it's a guarantee that email field is not null. Okay, so it is a primary key. So we have to return the result table in any order. Okay, so no need to care about any order of the table, but you have to write a query for those email with these which are come in the table more than once. That is a duplicated email. So example is given to you. So this kind of table is given to you in person table where we have two column, ID and email. So ID has ID1, their respective email is a@b.com, second ID c@d.com, third ID a@b.com. So here ID 1 and 3 has same email ID. They are coming duplicate. They are coming more than once. So we have to face this kind of ID according to SQL query. So we have to write the query for that. Okay. And at the end of the query, once you return the correct query, so you will get like this kind of output. Okay. So let's see. So basically a@b.com is repeated twice or two times. So we will see what we will write the query for that. So for that we will start with the select keyword. We want email. So for that we will write email from table name. So what is the table name here? Person. And so for that we have to first apply group by on email id, then and then only we will get same email id, sorry, same email in the concurrent column. So we will write here group by email. Okay. So once you apply the group by in select statement or any query, so after that you can't use where clause. Okay. So for that we have to use having clause here. Okay. So we will write here having. So we have to write after the having clause we have to pass the condition. So what is the condition? Where the email id, if the number of email id is repeating more than one, so we have to write the query with the having clause. So for that we will use here aggregate function as count. It will count the same email id, how many times they are coming. So we will count email id. If it is coming more than one, that means they are repeating, they are coming twice, they are duplicated. Okay. And end with semicolon, but here we have to use as a alias, because whenever this query is run, so name of the column will come as a email, e is a capital, but here the name of the column is in lowercase. So for that we have to use as keyword, and after that we will write the alias of that column. So like this we will write the query. So once we will run this query, we will see whether it will get the expected output or not. Yeah, so basically our query is accepted. Okay. So that means wait a moment, that means our output is correctly matched with the expected one. Yeah, so a@b.com is that email which is duplicated, which is coming more than once. So like this we will write the query. It is very simple query. Okay. So in this query you have to only keep in mind, first you have to read the problem statement carefully. Okay. After that you have to apply group by function, and after the group by we never use where clause. Okay. So after the group by we always use to passing the condition as a having keyword. Okay. After the having keyword we have to pass the condition, and each query is always end with semicolon. Okay. So likewise we can achieve our expected output through this query. So I hope you will get the idea how we write the query. It is very simple. So if you have any doubt regarding this problem or this query, you can kindly comment down. Thank you. This is of today. Have a nice day.